Good morning to all. Today we are going to learn a new topic that is about work. When do we say a work is done? So, a work is said to be done when an object moves over a distance on applying force. So, let me give you an example. When you move a pencil, can we say the work is done? Yes, because we say when a work is done when an object moves over a distance on applying a force. So when you move a pencil, you are applying a force, right? You are applying a very less force in order to move that object. Why? Because the object is lighter. And when you apply that force, the object moves. Here you apply a force on the pencil and the pencil moves. So we can say the work is done. So here you can see another example. In the next picture, you can see a boy is kicking a ball. So as he kicks the ball moves. And can we say a work is done? Yes. As he applies a force, the object moves. So we can say the work is done. So when do we say a work is done? A work is said to be done when an object moves over a distance on applying force. So here, this boy kicks the ball and the ball moves. As he applies the force, the object moves. So we can say the work is done. See the next one. Here you can see this boy is pushing a wall. He is applying great force in order to push that wall. And is the wall moving? No. Even after applying much force on the wall is not moving. And can we say the work is done? No, the work is not done. Why? Because the object is not moving even after applying the force. So let me give you another example. If you're going to push a table, so even after applying much force on the table and the table is not moving, can we say the work is done? No, the work is not done. Why? Because even after you are applying so much force on the object and the object is not moving, we cannot say the work is done. So when do we say a work is done? When an object moves over a distance on applying a force, then we say the work is done. Now let's see what is energy. So what is energy? Energy is the capacity to do work. So when you move an object, you need to apply a force, right? When you move an object, you need to apply a force. So in order to apply that force, you use your energy, right? In order to apply force, what do you need? You need energy. You use your energy to apply force. And when you apply force, the object moves and we say the work is done. And where do we get this energy? We get energy from the food that we eat. So we need to eat good healthy food in order to get energy. And we need energy to do everything. We need energy to do all activities. So energy causes movement. So let it be anything. So for everything that moves, it needs energy. So what about a car? Do a car needs energy to move? Yes, even it needs energy. It gets energy from petrol or diesel. Even it needs energy to move. Then what about a sailboat? A sailboat moves in flowing water. Even the flowing water uses energy to move the sailboat. So everything requires energy and energy causes movement. So what is energy? Energy is the capacity to do work. So in order to apply force, we need energy. And when we apply a force, the object moves and we say the work is done. So that is about energy. Then in page number 89, you can see an activity given. You can see 3 different pictures. Study the pictures If work is being done, write work done. If not, write work not done in the box. In the first picture, you can see the person is pushing the table and it is moving. So we can say work done because when applying the force, the object is moving. So we can say work is done. What in case of the second picture? In this picture, the man is holding a box. So is it moving? No, it is not moving. So can we say the work is done? No, the work is not done. What in case of the third picture? They are moving. The person is holding this box and is moving. So on applying the force, the object is moving and we can say the work is done. So that is about this topic. When do we say work is done and what is energy? So energy causes movement and everything requires energy. So I hope you understood this topic and we'll meet in the next class and discuss a new topic. Till then, thank you.